Hello everyone, welcome to GES Reporter. India has begun work on deploying the S-400 Triumph Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile Defense System. While the central government remains tight-lipped about the entire project, all 5 units will be deployed in depth areas to tackle the threat from China. All the 5 units of the S-400 system, which can take down a hostile aircraft or missile, at a range between 40 kilometers and 400 kilometers, are expected to be operational by next year. The Indian Army and the Chinese PLA are locked in a standoff across the 597 kilometers long Ladakh Lake since May 2020. With Beijing reluctant to restore the April 2020 status quo ante-Ngagra Hot Springs, and restore India's unhindered patrolling rights in Depsang Bulge in Daulat Beg Oldi DBO sector, and charting Nala Junction CNJ in Demchok sector. PLA has already deployed 2 S-400 systems across Lak in Angari Gargunsa opposite Demchok and Ningchi across Arunachal Pradesh, with the remaining 3 deployed to tackle the threat from the Indo-Pacific. It can track multiple targets at multiple ranges and neutralize them before the adversary's fighter, bomber or missile pose a threat, using anti-missiles with varying range. The S-400 system is so powerful that it is capable of tracking, engaging, and addressing the threat of Chinese fighters the moment they take off from air bases near the line of actual control. Thank you everyone.